Alright guys, I do have my air tag now. Home point is updated, lots of sat connectivity, and let's go up. Now I'm gonna go back to the tower straight ahead. We have pretty much full lead coverage out now. Let's see what the connectivity is like this time. Alright. I think I'll go in a sport mode, go as fast as I can. Got some birds flying around me. Please, no bird strikes. Here we go. This is pretty much the same route I took last time. Okay, not much wind today. 37 clicks an hour. 43 meters up. Battery's at 79%. I had went up and had to come back down to put my air tag on. Now I'm getting transmission signal interference. I'm going to go up some more, see if that helps. I'm already redlining. This should help. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Wasn't paying attention. Now I'm orange. Still not great connectivity. Look at that. Oh, now I'm better now. Much better now. I think I'll do a little fly around the this restaurant or wherever it is. Actually, you know, I don't think I will, because when I go behind, it'll make my connection even worse. So I think I will just come back. Well, maybe I'll do a little bit. Just do a little rotation around, maybe 180 degrees. My goggle signal is weak. I'm getting interference. I should go back home. All right, interesting. Where's my home point? All right, I'm gonna go back. Interesting, I do not see my home point. What is going on there? Huh. Anyway, this isn't my first time here, so I'm not too far away. I'm only 230 meters out. I'm on this coffee shop rooftop here on Children's Day over here in South Korea. So I think, yeah, I'm right here, guys. Yeah, I'm already here. So just give you a perspective. Oh, there's a high wind velocity. There's a tower back there. Yeah, it's not too far. Anyway, high wind velocity. Pretty calm down below, but up top, makes a big difference when you get, oh, there's a crow hovering around me. Oh, don't give me a bird strike. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. There, we're home. Home sweet home. That crow is giving me a hard time. Maybe I'll just fly around here a little bit. Take obstacle avoidance off. That crow, I don't know what he's doing. Maybe they're, I don't know if they're giving me a hard time or what. There is some wind today. A lot of people at the park today because, like I said, it was Children's Day, or it is Children's Day. Just hovering around here. This is a park bar place over here in Incheon, South Korea, where I like to do some walking. There's the tower again. I'll go up because my transmission wasn't great. Yeah, maybe I'll go up over here. Where's the lake, boys? I'll show you the lake here. Battery is already at 39%. There's the lake I was going to show you. Actually, that's not the main one. This is the main one I was going to show you. Okay, I'm going to go up a little bit to show you. All right. Still don't have my home point watermark, but I'm right there where my crosshairs are. There's my low battery message warning, so I will go back. Battery at 32%. Good timing. Where am I? There I am. No bird strikes. That's good.